itself is definitely one of the biggest events of the year. You know, out in the exposed mountains in the desert, steep, gnarly terrain that a lot of people don't think that it's possible to ride a bike down. There's no set limits. You can ride anywhere you want, ride as fast